Viewer discretion is advised.
Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're looking at the POM Industries Pepper Spray Maximum Strength. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're looking at the POM Industries Pepper Spray Maximum Strength. Now I got these off of Amazon. You can buy them individually, 6 packs, I think 12 packs. They have at least a dozen different colors. And they got the gray with the stripes on it, and I think there's a white and there may be a black. I'm not sure about the black, but I know there's a white. Now, for 6 of them, they're going for $65 a piece. Their Saber pepper spray, it's going between $8 and $10 a piece. They're a little more expensive than the Saber, but the reason I got these instead of the Saber is, well, kind of simple. Now, the Saber pepper spray, it's good, it works. I did a video on it, I tested it, but it's real easy to accidentally, use the Saber, press it, goes off in your pocket or something. So I ended up putting it in a little case. Then what I do is, have my pants, run this through pants loop like this, and that way I don't lose the case or anything, and stick it in my pocket. And that takes up a lot of real estate. These are smaller and more compact. Now these are the maximum legal strength you can actually buy on the civilian market. And what's nice about them is the trigger. You got to actually lift that up, then press it down. And it has a nice little clip on it. The clip actually feels really solid. I'm impressed. But they're good for up to 25 bursts at a 10-foot range, and they do contain the UV dye. So if you spray them and get it on their clothes, even when it dries, if a cop comes up or anybody with the black light, they'll actually be able to see that they were sprayed with it. But we're going to go outside and give it a little try, see how it works. Maybe you'll get to see the fat guy get hurt again. Okay, I measured back 10 feet, and you can see there's a little bit of a breeze going on. Okay, I went back 10 feet, I sprayed. You can see there's nothing on the paper. So we're going to try, let's go ahead and try 6 feet. Okay, 6 feet, you can see. Okay, 6 feet, you can see we got pretty good coverage. And it's, now the red Saber didn't have a smell to it like this. I mean, the smell alone is really strong. Well,
Viewer discretion is advised.
Wow. Oh my God. Okay, I just took a little taste of it. I guarantee you get that in somebody's mouth or eyes, it's going to put a hurting on them. When I did the test with the red Saber, I did the same thing, and it wasn't nearly that strong. We gotta stop this. Okay, guys, it's been like 15 minutes. I just put a little bit on my finger and tasted it. It's a real tense burning sensation. I still got it. I drank some milk. I rinsed my mouth out with water, drank some milk. And like within minutes, my eyes started to water, my nose started to run. That's a lot stronger than that red Saber was. The red Saber, it was bad, but it wasn't that bad. Okay, with all that said, now the pocket clip, it's pretty solid actually. I'm surprised. I mean, that's not going to easily fall out. And it takes up a lot less real estate than what I'm using now. Overall thoughts on this? It's brutal. It really is. I'm surprised by how bad that is. Price point wise, $10 a piece. It's a little on the high side, but for what you get, I don't really think it's all that bad. The red Saber, you've seen how easy that would be to set off. And this one, I think, is a lot safer for EDC, everyday carry. Clip it to your purse. Now, if you got it in your pocket and you pull it out, it's going to be upside down. Where the red Saber, you pull it out, it's right side up. That's one thing I don't like about this. I think it's a bit of a design flaw. Maybe do something, move your clip down some so you can put it in your pocket the right way. And for me to hold it was a little bit clumsy, but I can make it work. So the design, I have to, that clip thing is what really bothers me about the design. Now, if you took the clip and put it down here, had it turned the right way, it wouldn't be an issue. The 10-foot, you seen I had a slight breeze, and I sprayed it 10 feet, and it dropped off way before 10 feet. About 6 foot, you got good coverage. So, but it advertises 10 feet, and it doesn't do it. So this is one of those hard things. I'm even shaking a little bit from that experience. To rate, because the actual product itself at dispenses, it's brutal. It's gonna slow somebody down if not stop them completely. So the product, what it sprays out, I have to give that a solid 5. The design, it could be a little bit better, but it seems pretty durable. It's going to take a beating. So I'm going to give that a 3.5, because that clip really bothers me. It's just kind of awkward to work with. So 3.5. Price point, for what you get after testing it, I think the price is right on. So there's another 5. So we're looking at what, about a 4 out of 5 rating. Yeah, let's go 4 out of 5. I'll have a link down below so you guys can check this out yourself. I'd highly recommend this for, non-lethal self-defense. I did not expect it to be that brutal when I tasted it, but it was. Okay, we're going to give this 4 out of 5. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button somewhere up in here. And as always, thank you for watching.